How to watch members-only videos on YouTube in this video. I am going to show you how to watch members-only videos on YouTube and explain the only official way to access this exclusive content in 2026. Members-only videos are special videos that creators make available exclusively to channel members. These videos cannot be watched unless you have an active membership for that specific YouTube channel. First, open YouTube and go to the channel that uploaded the members-only video you want to watch. Next, look for the Join button located near the Subscribe button. If the channel offers memberships, you'll see different membership tiers and the benefits included with each one. Select the membership level you want and complete the payment process. Once your membership is active, return to the channel. You can access members-only videos from the Membership tab, the channel's Content section, Members-only posts, or directly through links shared by the creator. If you already have a membership but still can't watch a members-only video, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account associated with the membership. You should also verify that your membership is still active and that the video is available for your membership tier. Some videos are restricted to higher membership levels. It's important to know that YouTube does not provide any legitimate way to watch members-only videos for free without joining the channel. Access is controlled through the creator's membership program, and attempting to bypass these restrictions violates YouTube's policies. Here's a pro tip. Before joining a channel, review the membership perks and recent members-only content to make sure you're getting value from the subscription. Many creators offer exclusive videos, behind-the-scenes content, live streams, and early access to uploads. That's it. Now you know how to watch members-only videos on YouTube in 2026 by joining a creator's channel membership and accessing the exclusive content available to members. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which creators' members-only content you're interested in watching.